seems to be movement now outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. Chief Minister is now leading the protest against BJP headquarters, where these marches are being put to you. Live pictures coming in.
Well, yes, I'm standing at Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. Audio is not very much clear, but I can show you the visuals over here that any time from now, the Chief Minister, along with the senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, the cabinet ministers, Saurabh Bharadwaj, Atishi, Sanjay Singh, Raghav Chadha, these are all the senior leaders of the party who will be any time coming out from the party office and we will be marching towards the BJP headquarters. Let us show you the visuals. The Karyakartas have started gathering over here. They are sloganeering. Slogans have started over here, and you can see that here is a group of Karyakartas who have gathered over here, and slowly now they will be marching towards BJP headquarters. Very significant protest, because remember that first protest that Arvind Kejriwal is participating in after he walked out on interim bail. And let me show you the security arrangements over here. Let us walk this way and show you that how are the security arrangements over here, because remember that this entire way is blocked. Karyakartas are standing over here, and there you see this is a massive security deployment where we are being told that they will not be allowed to pass this particular area. So when the Chief Minister along with the cabinet ministers will be coming, they will have to stop over here. They will not be moving forward from this area. See, you can see the women police personnel, the CRPF, all have been deployed over here. High security, because if they cross this line, then there comes the BJP office. 144 has also been imposed. Here are this is the banner that Delhi police is holding in their hands. So certainly huge movement is going to take place over here, because you see Chief Minister has just announced in his address that if Delhi police will not allow them to cross this barrier, then they will be sitting here for more than half an hour. Now let us take you again back towards the Aam Aadmi Party office, where there is going to be movement in any time from now, because remember that all the senior ministers were sharing the stage, and we'll also try to speak to the people who have gathered over here, the Karyakartas who have gathered over here. We will try and get a sense so as to what is the message that they want to give through this protest. आप लोग यहाँ पर आम आदमी पार्टी के सपोर्ट में आए, क्या कुछ संदेश देना चाह रहे हो और किस लिए प्रोटेस्ट है?
देखिए, भाजपा ये करना चाहती है कि पूरी पार्टी को जेल में डालना चाहती है, तो संदेश दे रहे हैं। तो सीएम साहब है और हमारी पूरी पार्टी साथ है, एक साथ पूरे जेल में डाल दीजिए आप। लेकिन उनके जो फॉर्मर पीएस है उनको अब कस्टडी में रहेंगे पार्क?
दोनों तरफ से वीडियो और शब्दों का बांध चल रहा है और सच जल्दी ही सामने आ जाएगा। कोर्ट है, निष्पक्ष डिसीजन आएगा। तो बाकी आप लोग पूरा देश देख ही रहा है किस तरह से आम आदमी पार्टी को खत्म करने की साजिश रची जा रही है, किस तरह से दबाव बनाया जा रहा है, नेताओं पे दबाव बनाया जा रहा है।
आपको लग रहा है पूरी कॉन्स्पिरेसी,
पूरी साजिश है। और आप अगर किसी भी गली में जाके किसी भी आदमी से या महिला से इस बारे में पूछेंगे तो आपको एक ही जवाब देंगे कि मोदी की तानाशाही।
ठीक है। सो यू सी नाउ there are these people of Aam Aadmi Party, the Karyakartas of Aam Aadmi Party, who are saying that it is a conspiracy of the BJP. And remember that when Atishi had also held a press conference regarding Swati Maliwal assault gate case, that time also she had clearly mentioned that it is the conspiracy of BJP on the basis of which they are, for which this entire matter has been raked up. Now let us speak to a few more people.
We'll just come back to that, Teksha, because we're looking at a lot of movement there. Any minute now we can spot the Chief Minister coming out along with the Aam Aadmi Party leaders as well. In that entire 11-minute address that he made at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, not a single word, not even a mention of Swati Maliwal and the alleged assault.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.